Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing today? I hope everything is all right with you. So we are gonna go through this video that we're seeing on the screen now. So this is a group of people that are working with Imo State government. They believe they have monopoly of violence. Remember, these people are Igbos. I don't want anybody to tell me, oh, they are Fulani. No. We need to call it the way it is. Some of us are very good in pretending that we are sent when we are not. We have a lot of sabot. No, this. I don't want to. I don't want to insult saboteurs. These people, the class of stupidity of people in our land today is beyond the activities of being a saboteur. Like saboteurs seem to be honorable than what we have in our land at this point in time. I don't want to call them saboteur because calling them saboteur is an insult to saboteurs, from our place. I don't want to insult our saboteurs. Don't mind me, I'm just joking. Yes, sabotage is not a good thing. So it is very, very clear. I'm not here to tell you, but if I give you a John, jogide, it was really very fit, but you understand. So I don't want to cry because of anything. It's just that it is very, very painful. We all can see that. We all can admit that. So these are a group of Igbo youth that are buying their brothers in Imo State at the moment as we speak. You understand? So that video that I told you about in the video that in my last video, in my previous video that I published here, I told you there's a video that I saw in Awo Idemili. Okay, that some people are driving joy in buying their brothers because of the animosity they have against each other, because of the hatred, or probably maybe some of the people they consider as their enemy have done things into them in the past, maybe by it could be aura. It's not this, by talking, by maybe bragging. Oh, we are gonna do this, we're gonna do that. So they are reinforced with the help of state government, okay, via the help of northerners who are doing everything possible to control Imo State. Remember, Imo State have been mapped out to become Kwara State of Ndibo. And if things is not being done, to be honest with you, they're gonna succeed. But that's a story for another day. So these are a group of people who claim they are making peace in the community. Listen, that their job is to eradicate criminality and crimes, to fetch out people who themselves consider as enemy of the people. Do you understand it? In fact, they went for that point, by telling you that Samonekpa have done this and done that. You're gonna watch, you're gonna listen to him. The one elderly man, Papa Mamadu Kwesiri Iwe Akonuche. But he thought that because him and I will promise, there's still one thing about Northerners. Once they start using you, they will control your brain. That promise they give you will make you forget that you will not remember that anything can happen to you. Of course, you won't remember that because your mind will be like everything that you need in this world is already with you. That you have all the contact and you're gonna listen to the man because the man is so much believe that government is with him. He's gonna do this, they're gonna do that, to the extent of showing his face and bragging that he have come back, that they pursue him 4 years now, that they drive him away from, listen, that they drive him away, meaning that he ran to exile. Okay, he was on run. I don't know how long he was running away from heaven knows who, but according to him, to those people. So few days ago, they buy a lot of youth and they claim they have come back and they're gonna sanitize the state, the town and everything. That one, I want them maybe we come back to normal, everything, that kind of thing. I'm not from there. I don't know what happened there, but the rate of people that I saw in the video that they themselves died, it's just like there's a war going on and their bones scattered everywhere. The same people are moving freely, bragging they're gonna buy more. In fact, they went to market, telling market women that if you are one of the people that are buying that are coming to market to buy something for those guys in the bush, okay, that they're gonna buy you as well. In fact, that Samonekpa was the one grooming those guys. They do this, they have done that, they blah 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 blah. That he's here to tell them that the time is up. That he's gonna do this, he's gonna do that. Elderly man like that, bragging, making social trances, telling Biafrans what he wants, not what people want, dictating and predicting what the future will hold for them. These are things that I don't like to see in anybody at all, because Remember, you are serving people. If at all what you think that what you are doing is good, consider the life of the people that you claim that you're protecting. Now, the same man turned blind eyes on the activities of Fulani headers and terrorists moving around in Imo State. You may say that, oh, this is a normal, bloggers comment, you are just talking, you are looking for views, like some of Umokoko always say here. You forgot that some of the things that I'm telling you is also on social media. You can also verify it on your own. This man called Nonsongwa, I'm not his fan, but he's here. As they're releasing the video from our really, from by those guys that are bragging that in fact that felt that they have arrived and everything. As they're bragging, people people from other parts of Imo State are crying for headers. And Nonsongwa is here reporting that, of course. I don't know why they call him Nonsongwa. I thought Ongwa is in Abia State because Ongwa. But I don't know. Anyway, they call it, his name is Nonsongwa. I don't know. I don't know. But let's move forward. So he says something very very important here. He says something very 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 important, that Fulani headers are doing everything to take forest of Imo State. In fact, the government of Imo State are not doing anything. Listen to him.
Ogo for okwu security and insecurity in Imo State. Some people are that, especially the Fulani herdsmen. Yesterday, one guy says, "Bata, we boss are a lot of gold on our side of Forola. When the Fulani herdsmen, no Uzo Forola. You know, now one of the Uber guy." Buye Gadia because the guy made escape. Ozugbo ha hụrụ ndị Fulani abụ egbe. The guy amapụ. Then mgbe the Uber guy na-asị ka ya amapụ, ndị Fulani herdsmen ahụ achụ ya were egbe kụọ ya n'isi. You know, now that guy aka ji eji na amabeghị ọnọdụ ya ka ọ dị ugbu a. But ka m kwukwe ya ọzọ, anyị ekwuola okwu Ọfọrọla ahụ. That road dị bad. Anyị kwuo okwu Ọfọrọla. Anyị ekwu okwu Avụ, anyị ekwu okwu Obinze, anyị ekwu okwu Ihi Agba, anyị ekwu okwu Nekede, anyị na-ekwu okwu Irete, na-ekwu okwu Ọrụ Ogbe, Amaka Ọhịa Ubi, ebe ndị a niile ndị Fulani herdsmen nọ na-akpa. But now enwere a new place. I will play this voice note so that you will listen. Awareness ka anyị na-create for our people. Ekwuole m ekwuchie ya ike. Every community nwee forest guard. Mbụrụ gọvanọ echi forest guard ahụ. Agaghị m eji forest guards egwu. A ga-eme ya ọnọrọ n'iwu enwe forest guard in every forest enwere n'Imo State. Ma enwebe forest guard in Imo State, ya mpụ ka anyị na-akọ. And the government achọghịkwa n'ịma. Ihe a niile a na-ekwu a na-atọrọ ndị mmadụ onwebe ihe gọọmenti Imo State mere about it ruo today. Ha nụcha ha akpa ka anyị amaghị reason ha ji agba nkịtị. So let me play this particular one now.
Everyone will make kidnapping now. This Owerri Aba Road, Nabala, na Air Force Base and back of Air Force Base, Air Force Hospital, Nabala. So everybody will make kidnapping now, and yeah, according to them, watching and they brothers in no henchmen. So one of them. I come two of them because I don't train no there. Because of one honorable high critical alaya. Also alaiba and about honorable Danny also. So all that's really there. I got there with the caterpillar haji, so go to Chadala. So I know there na one katana hind also. So nda anabia. So Omen can about branch. But can about good luck one day. Anakachi. So about branch and I begin more. So good luck one mother and that Air Force Hospital. So on that mean there is Korea. They cause about more. So that about more and about fish out that way. So honestly, I think the people now were armed. Not be no. But by the grace of God, because of God about good luck one mother, she home Haji. But one of them appear with so you block where with the so honestly nobody is safe here. So you all that be more that talk here side. that person should have to be very, very careful. That okay mostly. And he came in Abala, that person have to be very, very careful. So he make a place. So Abala call no me. Abala call no me. But here, within Air Force Hospital, how close to Olapo water, Olapo bridge. And about me, how many no done about no more. So I had about the money. So on all that about express road. So all by the thing she got.
Remma, una anola ya. So ndebi Agbala, be very careful. Ndebi Olakwo, be very careful. They are expanding. Be very, very careful. Ha adikuola Agbala na Olakwo now. To ebe ndị ha na eme mkpamkpa ndị Fulani herdsmen. Ekwekwele me ka nkwukwe ya ọzọ. Every community when forest guard. Chekwa na ọhịa unu. Government is not ready for you people. Oh. It's not ready to protect your land. Oh. It's not even ready to protect you people. Oh. Ega na anande mad 5 million, 10 million, 5 million, 10 million, 10, 20 million. What's the government? They come here and Imo State. You like a government Imo State put about it. No. You don't consign them. So about Abasa government, Abasa protect your forests, protect your bushes, protect your land. Government in Ubua, Imo State, can never protect you.
So I believe you have listened to Nosongwa. Now, let's go to the video of the people that I told you about. Before then, let me beg you to like this video. Use the opportunity now to like the videos. If you have watched the video so far, it is now the right time for you to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, this is the right time to do that before we go forward to play the video of these people for you to hear what comes out from this man's mouth and their gang. Listen to that and thank you so much for your time. See you again. Bye bye for now.
Am I up there on Monday? After Tuesday. Monday to Monday. Am I up there on Monday? Don't come out on Tuesday. No, I'm with you. No more lockdown. It's on Monday after Tuesday. Yeah. Announcement. Come on, let's go. Listen attentively. No more lockdown. I will them in the civil social. I'm more hour. What do you mean with him? Here, I have one also over to. But I own more John. I'm not so good. But you have the last time open a go. And that one government a lot. I don't need to have any man here. Open a one and one in the book. Like where all the people they get them guys here. I can say. Over one name, one number, and then people know where why I know it. Makalam, every make a picture hand the habits. Young Kurubo, La Mekowa, has ya with them in the beginning. Echo one, Nadia, I said, I memory, and I saw more agitated on Helen Landing. If you have more, no way to get around while China. This is on me to the home. N'ime na China ewepụ aka azụ na-ele ha ọkụ na mepe ihe a ha na-eje na ọja aja asị ọ gara isi mmadụ achara ha ihe awa ahụ nọ n'ise iji chere ha n'obodo nna ome ihe nwụrụ ha na-eme karịkwa ịbịa na-ebukpọsị mgbomgbo niile ụmụnne m dọbasịchara n'ụlọ egbusisi ụmụ ndị mmadụ na-atapụsị n'ilo ọwara ihe njikwa ekwu ihe a bụ alọtakwala m alọta ndị nwere ala wede mmiri ala nna m ọ bụ onye Ebonyi steeti ịbịa ebe nna m ya chụpụ m na-egbusisi ụmụnne na-akpọkọsị ndị ụmụnne m na-akpala be ha ije ebe ha ehihie Mọnde ebe ha na-azụ ahịa jụọ na ajụjụ ije Ebonyi steeti ụbọchị Mọnde ọ na-azụ ahịa ọ na-ajụjụ ha dị ibe bịa n'odine nwaazị ohi abịa nja n'osisi ụzọ lee ikolota lee ilu a na-agba agba lee ahịa ekobehed mgbe ụlọ na-agbagharị bịa ụtụtụ etibiere ihe na-achọ bụ ka abịa tiri ya ekobehed ebita ha egwuregwu ebute nga na-azụ na ihe na-eresi ha mana nke mbute n'ime ahịa ha bute bịa zụọ so onye dịba agba nne ya abụ especially ụmụ oke ibiri ọ bụrụ ụmụ oke ibiri ọsụ ite ụkwa gee ntị ọ bụrụ ụmụ oke ibiri ọsụ ite ụkwa ụmụazị a na-enye ego na-abịa n'ahịa akpara ha nri o mere nga m ji echebiri nne adị mfụ ga ama m so onye jigba ekwu ihe abụ eburukwa oke ibiri nwaanyị na-esi ọsụ ite ụkwa abịa azụ tụrụ ụmụazị ahịa ebulere ha sikwa n'ime ya pụta ọbụmadụ ị na-akpọ ha na fonu sikwa n'ime ya pụta nnụla nke nnụ hụrụ gwanya na o mere nwoke bịara lele n'ihe ọ na-ekwu ana ihe a m na-ekwu adị siriọs ekwewa m ka m kwuru ha jere ibe ọzọ ji ememe ọ bụrụ iji asa egbe bụrụ ụgbụrụ ha ji eme na awụ ide mmiri agbalịala ọkwa soshal klọb dị ihe akụrisie ihe ya nwee nke ha ọkụ na-etirisi be anyị na-eme Biafra onye ka a na-aghọwu achọkwa m ịnụ agwa okwu Biafra n'ọnụ mmadụ maọbụ ụmụ ọma asịkwa maọbụ onye n'ọmụ ukwuru onye nụrụ ya n'ọnụ ya ọzọ mụ na onye ahụ ga-awụ okporo tụtara and ụbọchị Tuzdee aga m abịa hịa mee ụlọ adreesị enyi mmụọ ndị ọbụla ụnụ bịara apụta ahịa hịa emechi ahịa na ya azụwa ya ka nwa ma ọ bụ ihe nkwuru ka ndị ga-eme ka ọ bụ ihe ndị ohi kwuru ka ndị ga-eme agwachakwara bụ ụlọ
no more lockdown.
No more lockdown.